Good morning students. In this video class we are going to discuss about 12th standard computer science chapter 9 part 3. So last video class we discussed all these topics, okay. In this video class we are going to discuss about how to delete a element present in a list. So last class we discussed how to add and how to insert elements in a list. In this class we are going to discuss about how to delete an element present in a list. What are the functions are used for deleting, okay. Now you can see the functions. So deleting elements from a list, there are two ways is possible. One is we can use a del statement to delete a element, or we can use the remove function to delete element from the list. Now we see about first one, how we can delete a element by using del function. It is used to delete known elements. That means if you know the index value, then we can use a del statement to delete the particular element present in the list. The del statement can also be used to delete entire list. Either we can delete a particular element in the list, or we can delete multiple elements, or we can delete entire element present in the list by using the del statement. Now you can see the syntax for del statement. If we want to delete a particular element, then we can use the syntax del list within square bracket. You have to specify the index of an element. Which element you want to delete, that element index you have to specify. If we want to delete multiple elements, then we can write a syntax del list. You have to specify the index range of values, which one you want to delete. So index from colon index to, that is index from means starting index value, and then index to is the end index value. So what are the elements you want to delete? If you want to delete the elements 2 to 5, then you have to specify 2 colon 5, okay. Like that you have to give the index value for deleting multiple elements. And then del list, if we want to delete the entire list, then we can use the syntax del list. Now you can see one by one how you can delete a particular element first, okay. So now you can see the example for deleting a particular element present in the list. Here we can see my subject is the list name, okay. My subject equal to, in this list how many elements are present? Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Maths. So totally how many elements are present? 4 elements are present, okay. So why we are using single quotes to specify these elements? We already know the string elements are given by using the quotes. Either we can give single, double or triple quotes to specify the string elements, okay. That's why we are using single quotes here, okay. So these are the string elements. And then see print my subjects. So it display all the elements present in this list. Now I am going to delete only one element present in this list, okay. So see the statement del my subjects of 1, okay. That is now I am going to delete the index position 1, okay. I am going to delete the element that element is having the index value 1, okay. So see this example, which one is having the index position value 1? So it starts from 0. So Tamil in 0th index position, Hindi in the first position, Telugu second, Maths in third index value, okay. Now which index you want to delete? If index value 1 Hindi, okay. So print my subject. Again after deleting the element Hindi, then I display the values present in this list. Now you can see the output Tamil, Telugu, Maths alone will be displayed, okay. That is Hindi will be deleted. From this list Hindi will be deleted because we are using the statement del my subject of 1. Index value is 1. So the first index position element alone can be deleted. So in this example we know how to delete a particular element present in the list, okay. So see the next example, how to delete the multiple elements present in the list. I will take the same list again my subject equal to Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Maths. Okay, so again I will delete this del my subject of 1:3, that is my starting index value is 1 and then end index value is 3. I want to delete all this elements. Okay, so see this print my subject. What will be the output? Only in the index position 0 will be displayed, because which one is having the index value? 1 Hindi and then 2 Telugu, Maths is 3 index value. So all these elements are deleted and then it shows only one element, that is index position 0. Tamil will be deleted. Okay, now you know how to delete a multiple element present in the list. What you want to do for deleting multiple elements? We just specify the index position value, that is range of values, where it can be start and where it can be end. So you have to specify the index value like this, that index elements can be deleted by using this del statement. Okay, and then see how to delete your entire list by using the del statement. Okay, now you can see the example for delete entire list. So I will take the same list again. My subjects equal to Tamil, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam. Okay, so here Maths. Now you can see this del my subjects. So here you have to specify only the list name. Okay, so what you have to give? Only the list name. There is no index can be specified. If you are specifying the particular index, then that particular element alone will be deleted. If you are specifying the range of index, that is starting and ending value, that multiple elements can be deleted. Here you have to specify only the list name alone, del my subject, then it can delete that whole list. Okay, so now if you print my subjects, we get the output like this, that is we can get the error output. Why it shows an error? Because this list is not present in the system. Okay, that's why we can see the error name my subject is not defined, that is my subject list will be deleted. There is no list can be exited in the name my subject, that's why it shows an error is not defined. Okay, is it clear? Now is it clear how to delete element or multiple element or entire list? Yes. Okay, now we move for the next one. So now you can see deleting elements by using the remove function. Okay, remove function can also be used to delete one or more elements if the index value is not known. So del function is used to remove the elements when you know the index value. If you don't know the index value, then we can use a remove function to delete the element present in the list. Now you can see the syntax list dot remove of element. Here directly you have to specify the element. Okay, there is no index value, we just specify the element directly to this function. Okay, so this syntax is used to delete a particular element present in the list. So see this example, my list. So see this example, my list equal to 12, 89, 34, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin. So in this list how many elements are present? Totally 6 elements are present. Now I will display this list by using the print function, print my list. We see the output 12, 89, 34, Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin. The same list will be printed as a output. Okay. Now I want to remove one element from this list. For that I will use a function remove. So remove, what is the syntax for remove function? List name dot remove, and then you have to specify the element, which element you want to remove. Here I want to remove this element 89. So I will give my list dot remove of 89. Now we can print this list. What will be the output? The element 89 is not displayed in this output because the element 89 will be deleted. Okay, so remaining elements alone will be displayed in this list. So this is the way you can delete element by using the remove function. Okay, now we move for the next one. So deleting elements. So two more functions also used for deleting element present in the list. That is pop and clear function. This for function is used to delete an element using the given index value. If you are specifying the index value, then that index element alone will be deleted. If you are not specifying the index value, then the last element alone. If the index value is not specified, then it can delete the last element and returns to the list. Okay, that is, it will delete the last element from the list and return the output. Pop function is used to delete only one element from a list. Okay, so using this pop function, how many elements you can able to delete? Only one element. If you are specifying the index position, then that particular element index value alone can be, index element alone will be deleted. Okay, so if you are not specifying the index value, then it can delete the last element and returns to the output. Okay, now you can see the syntax for pop. List.pop, within bracket you have to specify the index of an element. Okay, now you can see the syntax for pop function. And then examples. Okay, my list equal to 12. The same list I will take it again. My list dot pop of 1. So here you have to specify the index value. So what is the index value is given here? 1. So the element present in the index value 1 will be deleted. Okay, so my list dot pop within bracket 1. What will be the output? 34. In the first position, what is the element is present? The element 34 is present. That is deleted by using this for function. Now you can see print my list. So you can get the list without this element 34. Okay, 12 Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin alone will be printed. Okay. Okay, now you can see how to use clear function to delete the content. Okay, so clear function removes only the elements and retains the list. So del function is used to remove the entire list, but this clear function is used to delete only the element present in the list. Okay, not here. Element alone will be deleted by using this clear function. When you try to print the list which is cleared, already cleared, an empty square bracket is displayed. Okay, so if you clear the element by using this clear function, and then you print the list, it shows only the empty brackets. Okay, without any elements, which means the list is empty. Okay, is it clear? Now you can see the example, my list dot clear. So we already know what is the content is present in this my list. My list 12 Kannan, Gauri Shankar, Lenin, 4 elements is there. Okay, now we are using the clear command, my list dot clear. Print my list. What will be the output? It shows only the empty parenthesis, empty square bracket as the output. Okay, why it shows an empty parenthesis? The content, the element present in the list will be deleted, so it shows only the empty parenthesis. This is the output of this code. Okay, now you can see one more example for this. So now you can see this code here, my list equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. In this list, how many elements are present? 4 elements is present. Okay, and then see the next statement, my list dot clear, and then empty parenthesis. Now I am going to clear this list, my list dot clear. So next line, print my list. What will be the output it shown? It shows only the square bracket, that is your output. Okay, that is clear function is used to clear only the element present in this list. Okay, so the elements are deleted, it shows only the list. So del function is used to delete the entire list. Okay, that's why it shows an error that name is not present, my subject. So del my subject, if you are using means it shows the error. Now you can see that one also. Okay, del, here what is the name? My list, del my list. Okay, so now you can see what will be the output of this my list. Print my list. See, my list is not defined. Okay, because del function is used to delete your entire list. Okay, so clear function is used to delete the elements alone. This is also asked in 2 marks question. What is the difference between del and clear? Okay, so clear is used to clear the content element alone, and then del function is used to delete the entire list. Okay, is it clear? So in this class we discussed how to delete the element present in the list. What are the functions are used to delete the element present in the list? Okay. Okay students, we continue in the next video class for the next topics. Okay. Okay students, thank you.